Keep looking. Do you see him yet? Where is he? Oh, I see somebody.
Where?
Hold on, that's not him. What? No, go in there. Look, tell me if you see Bradley. Look for Fluffy. You see him?
Nope. You don't go away.
Let's keep looking. Which flight were you on?
From Delta, or from Detroit Delta.
Oh, okay, thank you. Don't see him yet. Nope, not him. You see him? Keep looking. Nope. Oh, I see him. Oh, I see him.
Where? Where? I'm not him.
He's got the green hat on. Don't go in there. You can't go in there.
Why?
Wait, John.
Okay.
You're big.
I'm so happy. Oh.
Here for you all. Here for you all. Because you don't see. You're so big to me. You're your mommy. Look at you.
I'm so happy you're back. I love you so much.
Look how big he is.
I know, he's getting big.